10 core teachings of meditation. First up, we have mindfulness. Mindfulness is all about being present in the moment. It's paying attention to what you're doing, like eating, walking, or even breathing, without getting distracted. Next, let's talk about concentration. This means focusing your mind on one thing. You can concentrate on your breath, a word or mantra, or an object. It's like training your mind to stay focused. Compassion and loving kindness are crucial. This is about developing care and kindness for yourself and others, silently wishing happiness and health for yourself and everyone around you, even those you find challenging. Non-attachment teaches us to let go of the need to hold on to thoughts and things. Understand that experiences come and go, and try not to cling to them. Self-awareness means getting to know yourself better. Observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment to understand yourself more deeply. With equanimity, we aim to stay calm and balanced, even in tough situations. Try to remain steady and composed, not overly excited by good things or too upset by bad things. Presence and acceptance involve embracing the present moment as it is. Accept whatever is happening now without trying to change it or run away from it. Understanding impermanence is key. Everything changes, and recognizing that all experiences, good and bad, are temporary can help you let go of attachments. Interconnectedness reminds us that we're all connected. Your actions affect others and the world around you. Recognize and hold these connections. Lastly, we have cultivation of inner peace. Regular meditation practice helps you quiet your mind, reduce stress, and develop a deep sense of inner calm. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the core teachings of meditation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on meditation and mindfulness. Your support helps us create more videos to bring peace and balance into your life. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Happy meditating.